Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Langham, Saskatchewan, a delightful town that offers a glimpse into the heart of the Canadian prairies. Located approximately 40 kilometers northwest of Saskatoon, Langham is a community that beautifully blends rural charm with easy access to urban conveniences. Langham was established in 1905 and was named after Langham, a village in Rutland, England, by its early settlers who wanted to pay homage to their English roots. In its early years, Langham grew steadily, thanks in part to the development of the Canadian Northern Railway. The railway provided a vital link to other parts of the country, allowing the town to flourish as an agricultural hub. Whether you're passing through or considering a longer stay, Langham, Saskatchewan is a place where the beauty of the natural landscape create a truly memorable experience. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Langham, Saskatchewan.